y'all, welcome to your girl, the fashionable Hannah. Today I am going to show you how to do this awesome facial care. This is my regular self-care routine care for every day. If you want to fight against acne, this is the video for you. So I put a lot of makeup, as you guys know, so I just want to show you guys my skin care routine, and this is so affordable. Here today we're gonna focus on my face. Stay tuned, it's your girl fashion. So this is the first thing I use. This is the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. This has salicylic acid for acne treatment. So I'm gonna wash my face first with this. I wet my face a little bit and then I wash it. See, I'm focusing on the areas. I usually go a little bit under my chin because I put makeup there a little. So after rubbing it into my face, I have this facial brush. This was given to me by a friend long time ago, but if you want one you could find it on Amazon. So this is how it comes, and I'm going to be brushing my face.
Press it again.
It has 3 levels, so you can actually increase the speed for it to go faster. So yeah, just wash my face. You can see the amount of dirt on my brush. Whoa, that's the amount of dirt that has been in my face. And then I use a towel to wipe my face. The CeraVe Acne Foam Cream Cleanser. So I put this just a little bit and clean my face. This clears acne, pimples, blackheads, and helps prevent new acne. Especially right now, I'm on my period, I break out a lot, and it allows my skin to heal. This has 3 essential ceramides, and it has So after I do that, I let it to air dry for a little bit. After I do that, I leave it. So now I'm cleaning my face, as you guys can see, to air dry for a little bit, and keep this, and I'm done with that. Then to wipe my face. So just wipe my face, and then who can guess the next process? So I wash my face towel for it to get clean, and then make sure I dry it. Dry it, and then after washing your face, guess what I use? I have this cotton pads. Then I use the third thing I'm gonna be using is my witch hazel toner. I use this, it's a pore perfecting toner. It conditions and refines my pores. So again, I'm gonna be using my cotton pads. Put a little bit of this I already see the glow in my face. You guys see that glow? Already see the glow in my face. I'm done with that. And guess what? The next thing I'm going to be using is the Sea Breeze, the ash. It does like a tingling and it refreshes the skin. After using the witch hazel, my skin is kind of sticky. You can feel it. This gives like a sticky effect, but I love it. So I kind of leave my face to a dry a little bit still. You give it about let's say a minute or 45 seconds for your skin to always air dry before you put on the next product. And I still have this here, so put a little bit. If you scrub your face too much, it gives it a real tingling effect. I love this product. Ooh, it hurts. It's giving like a cold effect, but I love it. Close your eyes. It's not meant to go into your eyes, and keep away from children. Yes. Whisk cleanse. You can also use this all the time before you apply moisturizer and makeup. It's a real good cleansing solution, and it has a refreshing. So I'm just blowing my face right now because it's giving that tingling effect. I'm using the Neutrogena Acne Stress Control. It still contains salicylic acne treatment. I definitely love this product. So I put a little bit on my hands. My hands are clean, and just put on my face. Especially where you have the spots for the acne or you're breaking out, you just put a little bit and voila. And then, yeah, so now guess what we are using next. So right now, this is a basic routine, and so we're almost coming to the end of this routine. But before we end this routine, I'm going to show you guys this Clinique Acne Solutions Clearing Gel. It is magical. Like, if you use this, you're going to leave a review under this video. Please let me know. I use this like all the time in the night, especially when I'm breaking out. I don't use it like every day, but right now I'm breaking out, and I put it just on the spots where my acne is located, and it works magic. So I bought it from Ulta. Kind of runs this about $30, but it's definitely worth it. So I take a little pinch and just put where I feel I have acne spots. And I love the feeling. It gives a cold, sticky kind of feeling too. And I let this to dry for at least 2 minutes. After putting all of this on my skin, I let it to dry for 2 minutes. So this step is very, very important. So let your face dry for 2 minutes so everything is really set on your skin and you're looking all glowing. So, and guess what is gonna be the last? You always need to moisturize your face for your nighttime routine. This is especially a nighttime routine. And guess what I'm using for my moisturizer? Neutrogena. For my moisturizer, I'm using the Neutrogena Bright Boost Gel Cream. So let's get it on it. And this makes your face glow, I bet you. We moisturize. Makes your face so soft. You guys see my like your face is literally glowing. I love this. This is a must to get, and it makes your skin even brighter. It's not a bleaching agent. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you love this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. Don't forget, the items you need to get, all of them are found in Walmart or Amazon. And all the beauty. Have a good day. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Ciao.